Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back and welcome to an Influencer Tip Tuesday, where in today's video we'll be talking about how we're going to actually send brand pitch emails to brands for collaborations and partnership. So if you are interested in this good old video, go ahead and stay tuned. But before we even get started to this good old video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the red button down below, join the TAM KAM fam, and if you did enjoy this video at the end, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and go ahead and leave a comment down below about anything or any questions that you do have pertaining to this video in the future videos. So let's go ahead and get started. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about how to actually send or how to formulate a brand pitch emails to actually secure the brand collaborations and partnerships to get these coins. Okay, it's 2021 and we're trying to secure the bags all day, every day. Okay, so this is quarter number 2 in influencer time, or the influencer world. This is now April, so this starts the second quarter of the year. But before we even get started to the things that we do need to include into our email, let's first talk about exactly what is a brand pitch email, because some people do not exactly know what that is. So a brand pitch email, or when you're pitching to a brand, that basically means you, the influencer or content creator, is actually reaching out or contacting the brand, aka pitching to the brand, about collaborating with them or partnering with them in a campaign or a collaboration with their brand. So why exactly is this important? As a small influencer, I used to think that, okay, since I am being super duper consistent with my content, posting every single week, tagging people, yada yada, that, you know, I just thought that brands were just gonna flood my email with campaigns and collab and partnership brand deals and everything else, and you know, it's just gonna be easy peasy. But unfortunately it is not at all, and I took it upon myself to actually start pitching to brands myself. I actually started when I was a very small YouTuber. Well, I'm still small, whatever. When I was less than 1,000K subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, when I was less than 1,000 subscribers, that's when I actually took it upon myself to start pitching. Now, most recently, starting last year when I started pitching, is the time when I first got my first paid partnership brand deal from me initiating the conversation. Now, I feel like this is important because you have to think of it as you are one person out of a million influencers and content creators that do have out here in this world today, because it is a very popular industry at this point. And how are brands supposed to find you in a needle in a haystack if you do not show yourself? Pitching to brands actually help brands to see you, help them acknowledge you and your brand, and it gets the ball rolling. So now that we're done all of that, we're going to go ahead and talk about 8 things that you should actually include inside of your emails when you do decide to pitch to brands. So go ahead and take out your pen and paper and let's go ahead and get to talk. So I do have my notebook here because you know I do not want to miss any type of great points to talk to you guys. So yes, let's get into it. The first thing, this is the intro of the email. So the first thing that you actually want to include inside of your email is the subject line. That's the very first thing before we even start the email, is the subject line. You want to have a catchy and a not so long or short subject line that pretty much just gets straight to the point. So usually my subject lines are something like this: TAM KAM times Camille Rose Honey collection line collaboration inquiry. Something simple and straight to the point. I'm reaching out to you due to your honey collection that you have out right now and about a collaboration inquiry. Pretty simple. I love to actually include exactly what type of collaboration or partnership that I actually want to do, what kind of like product, especially if it is a new release type of product or a line that actually came out. I do like to put that inside of my subject so they are aware that, okay, so this person or this personal brand actually wants to collaborate with us pertaining to our most recent collection that we just released. Boom. Okay, now let's start with the good old intro. Second thing that you actually want to include inside your email is you want to introduce yourself and tell the brand actually who you are. Obviously, you do never want to start off an email saying that, hello, yeah, let's just collaborate. It is what it is. They need to know who you are. Who are you? Why are you contacting me? Hello. And it's just courtesy to say, hi, brands. My name is Tams. I am a content creator on YouTube and Instagram, and I make content about natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. Period. So the third thing that you want to include inside your email is the purpose of this email and why you are reaching out. The purpose of doing this is to actually help brands figure out, okay, so what email do I need to sit here and read, and what email do I need to just toss in the trash? So with you initially putting the reason why you're contacting the brand, it kind of helps them continue to read. If you sit here and say, hi, my name is Tam, I'm a content creator, yada yada. I am reaching out to you because I recently seen that you launched a new honey collection line, and I would love to help assist with promoting that hair care line with a collaboration. Plain and simple. And if you do want to add like a little extra touch to it, sometimes I do. I also put, you know, I would like to help collaborate with this new collection towards my audience and your future customers. That's cute, huh? I know. And now we're getting into the body of the email. So the fourth thing that you actually want to include inside of your email is you want to include what your platform is about. You already introduced yourself. You told them why you're contacting them. Now it's time to actually talk about who is Tam Kam? Who is my natural high? Hello, who is this person? So I will put something like, for an example, my YouTube, Tam Kam, and Instagram, my natural high, aims to inspire women of color with natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle tip or life tips, something towards that instance. And then I will also include for tip number 5, or what you should include, number 5, is how you and the brand align and your target audience. And then I will follow up with saying, I believe my audience will resonate with your brand mission of providing clean and non-harmful ingredients to hair care products, and always considering your total health and wellness. Okay, I feel like it's very, very important to put, you know, the brand's, a snippet of the brand's mission statement and how your brand aligns. One, this actually gives the brand awareness that, okay, she actually reads about our brand, she took her time to look at our brand, our website, etc., and she's comparing how we are both alike, and for, you know, both have like, you know, similar audience. So I feel like this is a great connection when it comes to emails, because it will make them continue to read and like, okay, well, obviously we, you know, we're like on the same playing field as far as topic, so you might actually be a good influencer or content creator to actually work with this type of campaign. So then I would like to say, I would love to showcase the brand on my social media to support the new launch of your new collection, your XX collection, whatever collection it may be. So the 6th thing that you should actually include inside of your email is include your social media analytics or your stats. Now I feel like this is important because obviously the brand cannot see this from the outside looking in unless you actually provide that information. But sometimes I do actually include my impressions, my engagement rates, you know, maybe my amount of likes, my subscriber and follower count, and if you do have a blog, you can include your monthly views and your monthly clicks. So I feel like this is just very important for a brand to see, like, okay, well, she's getting this amount of impressions, you know, per week or per month on her Instagram. You know, this is really good because if we do a collaboration with her, this is what we will also receive if we do work with her. I feel like putting analytics are a nice extra touch when it comes to an email, just because of the fact that they cannot see this from the outside looking in. Now that we're done with the body of the email, it's time to actually start closing up the email. So the 6th thing that you actually want to include inside of your email is you want to do some type of suggestion of content ideas. Now I feel like this is a great thing. Now this is just my opinion to do. I feel like it's great to actually let them know like some type of content ideas that you had in mind if you do decide to work with me, just because it gives the brand an idea, like, okay, so she's already like thinking about how to promote us. She's showing us her creative side on how we will work together and how she will promote this line, etc. I would say if you are interested in working together, I have a few ideas of doing a promo video displaying X, Y, and Z, giving them an idea of pretty much what I would actually do in the video, like a little snippet, not the whole thing, but just a little snippet. And then the 8th thing that you actually want to include, you want to close out the email completely, just letting the brand know thank you for actually reading my email, etc., and I hope for you to contact me back. But exactly how I would say it is, I would say I look forward to discussing more about this collaboration opportunity. I look forward to hearing back from you. I feel like I like to use I look forward to hearing back from you instead of I hope to hear back from you, because I feel like I hope is like I may not reach back to you, even though I honestly feel like it doesn't really matter what you say, kinda, because they have the choice of reaching back out to you or not. But I feel like it's a little bit more like I'm really looking forward to you for reaching back to me, okay? So I like to say that. So I look forward to discussing more about this collaboration opportunity. I look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you again, or thank you for taking the time out to review my email. And then close it. Thank you, TAMC. So that are the 8 things that I actually do love to include inside of every single email that I do send when I am pitching to brands. And having this type of email style actually did help me a whole lot, specifically this year, with getting a whole lot of partnerships throughout Instagram and YouTube, which I am just very, very appreciative and grateful of. Now, outside of closing that email, I do like to put like a little signature, I guess, piece that I will put on here, a signature piece that I actually do like to include at the very, very, very end of my email. And this signature piece actually includes my name. It says that I'm a content creator / influencer. It includes my email, and it also includes my YouTube and my Instagram link. The way how I linked it on Yahoo is you can actually click onto it, so you don't have to like copy and paste it just to open it up. And I love to make my emails very simple for brands, because I feel like they don't have the time to sit here and search for things. So that's why I feel like it's beneficial to add your stat, your impressions, engagements, all of that. You know, tell them who you are. Obviously, that's important. And also including links that are able to be clicked instead of just being copied and pasted. So that is how I formulate all of my emails to secure bags, okay? And hopefully we can all secure bags this entire year and the years forward, okay? Because bills got to get paid, period. Thank you for watching today's Influencer Tip Tuesday on how to send, brand, or formulate brand pitch emails. I hope you actually did enjoy this good little video, and I hope it becomes very beneficial to you guys to pitch in the future and secure these brand deals. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you do love this email style, and in the future if this email style actually helped you out to secure brand deals. And I hope it did. Let me know, sis and bro, if you got some coins because of this video, okay? Thank you. Also, because this is Influencer Tip Tuesday, I would love to hear any type of suggestions of ideas that you would like to hear for future Influencer Tip Tuesday videos. Let me know down below in the comment section so we can go ahead and chit chat. So if you did enjoy this good old video, I hope you do give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you enjoyed it a lot and enjoyed me, okay, and want to keep coming back to these Influencer Tip Tuesdays, go ahead and click the red button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next Tuesday and future uploads. Bye, guys.